What parrots like to eat. Hello, my name is Polly and I'm a parrot. Today, I'd like to talk to you about what parrots like to eat. First of all, parrots are birds, which means they are omnivores. That means they eat both plants and animals. They are particularly fond of fruits and vegetables, and they love to snack on seeds, nuts, and grains. But parrots are also birds of prey, which means they have strong beaks and sharp claws. They use these to catch their prey, which includes small rodents, insects, and even other birds. Parrots will also take treats from your hand if they think they're being sneaky. So, what exactly do parrots like to eat? Well, different parrots have different preferences. Some will eat the same things all the time, while others will change their diet depending on what's in season or what's easiest to find. For example, my own parrot, Max, loves peanuts, bananas, and apples. He'll eat them raw, roasted, or even in a salad. Other parrots, like the African grey parrot, for example, will eat insects and small vertebrates like mice and skunks. It's important to note that parrots need a balanced diet to stay healthy. Make sure you're providing them with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and grains, as well as plenty of fresh water and plenty of exercise to keep them happy and fit. So, there you have it, what parrots like to eat. Remember, as with any bird, it's important to provide them with a healthy and balanced diet to keep them happy and healthy.